Okay, hello everyone. I hope my audio is clear. Okay, so hello everyone. Okay, hello everyone. I hope my audio is clear. Okay, so today we are going to analyze the top IT sector stocks, and most probably it will be the top 10 weightage percentage wise weighted stocks. Okay, and here I have the list starting with Tata Consultancy Services, Infosys, Wipro, HCL, Tech Mahindra, LTI Mindfare, Persistent, okay, Coforge, Emphasis, L&T Technology Services. Okay, so these are the stocks we are going to analyze today, and this will be a complete analysis. Okay, we'll do the fundamental and technical analysis all together. Okay, so let me just start. Right, let's start with the very first company itself, that is TCS. Okay, so here I will search TCS. Okay, so TCS is the largest IT sector stock in Indian stock market with a market cap of a huge market cap 11. You can see here 11 lakh 76,752 crore. So this is a very big market cap. Now let's come to some of its important numbers. Okay, you can see the current market price is 3,216 with a market cap of 11 lakh 76,000. Okay, and it has a reserves of 90,000, debt is 7,600, debt to equity ratio is 0.09, which is good. All these factors are good. Interest coverage ratio is 74, excellent. Return on asset 29, return on equity 46. Okay, again excellent numbers. Current ratio, quick ratio 1.68, this is also good. Okay, promoter holding is 72.3%. Okay, so all these factors are very good numbers, and here there is slight pledging, but that is okay until it is less than 10%. We can call it safe. If it goes above 10%, then it is something we need to be concerned about. But here 0.48 is very little, so it's okay. Right, now let's come to profit and loss statement. Okay, and here we see that year on year it has been giving consistent profit. Okay, consistent increase in sales 48,000, then 62,000, 81,000, 94, 108, 117, 123, 146, 156, 164, 191, 225. So pretty consistent increase in sales in terms of numbers for the past 11 years, from 2012 to 2023 March. Okay, now let's come to the operating profit. So here also we can see operating profit increasing pretty nicely. Okay, there is no decline in operating profit, no sudden decrease or anything like that, right? And we can see that the operating profit margin is also very consistent. Okay, from 30%, 29%, 30, then 31, 26, 20, 27, and it has been consistent. There is no major drop like from 30% directly to like 10% or 12%. I don't see any drop like that, so we can call it safe, no problem here also. So it is a consistently growing company. Okay, now coming to one important factor, that is the shareholding pattern. So the shareholding pattern of TCS, here you can see it was 72.05% is being held by promoters on June 2020, and now it is 72.30. So slight increase, but it is okay until we see a sharp drop like 5% or 10%. We can call it safe. Okay, and now coming to FII's holding. 15.85% it was in June 2020, and now it is 12.72%. So we are seeing 3% drop. Okay, it could be because of multiple reasons, but we are seeing 3% drop. At the same time, we are seeing domestic institutional investment has gone up by around 1.5%, from 8.02 to 9.58. Okay, so this is a decent increase in domestic institutional investment, right? And we also have some government holding as well. 0.07% it was in June 2020, and now it is 0.05%. Okay, so this is also a good number. So we can call that the shareholding pattern is pretty consistent. There is not much fluctuations. We are seeing slight decrease in FII stake, but that is okay. Now let's uh, go to the technical side. Okay, so let me first check if we have any comment or anyone watching here. It's okay. Yeah, so this is Tata Steel. I will go to TCS. Okay, so this is TCS, and we can see, let's first measure how much it has given, how much return it has given after the COVID crash. Log, yeah, yeah. So it went to a low of 1521 on March 2020, and then it went up to a high of 161%. Okay, the price was 3977. Okay, so this is a pretty big rise in share price by TCS. After that, we are seeing consolidation for, it should be more than 1 year, I think. Yeah, it is going to be almost just less than 2 years, like 1 year 7 or 8 months. Okay, 630 days, and it has been consolidating. And what will it do next? So from this chart we can clearly see that the current trend is downward. It is not going up from here anytime soon. So what we'll do is, let's enable the 200 days moving average. Yes, we can see it is coming closer to the 200 days moving average. Okay, so what you can do is, as soon as it goes down a little bit, so currently we know that Nifty is weak. Okay, Nifty is weak, and it might, today also it has given around minus 0.5%. Okay, Nifty, and in the coming weeks also it might come down. So as soon as it comes to this 3000 level or 3100, we can definitely accumulate some stocks of TCS. So, or if you are doing a fresh investment, definitely you can take investment, but it will be slightly an early entry. Okay, if you are doing fresh investment, if you are holding from a long time, let's say you have purchased at lower price somewhere around 2300, 2400, then you can take, no problem. But for fresh investment, it might be a little bit early. But if you want to take some stakes, okay, and you do not want to risk because it might go up pretty fast, then you can definitely buy some stocks at this price, because it is near 200 days moving average, which is very important. Okay, by 30 to 40% right now, and in case it goes down little bit further, then you can add some more. Okay, this I'm talking about the about people who are going to invest for the first time in TCS. Okay, fresh entry. Okay, and if you are doing you already are holding some stock, then you can definitely buy as soon as it drops below 3100. Okay, that will be a good entry. And in future we might see, in assuming that it will go sideways from here, we might see some price action like this. Okay, it will definitely break a trend line and definitely go up. Okay, let me just check if is someone is trying to communicate over chat. uh, okay, no, okay, it's fine. So this is TCS. One second please, I'm getting some pings. Okay, yeah, now let's go to the second company. Okay, The second company in our list will obviously be Infosys. So let's go to Infosys. I hope my voice is clear to all of you. Let me know in the comment section if you are not able to hear. Okay, now coming to Infosys. So Infosys is having a market cap of, okay, Infosys was here only in the list. So we could have navigated directly. Okay, the current market price is 1265. Okay, Infosys current market price 1265 with a market cap of 5,24,000 crore and a reserve of 73,000 crore. Very nice. It's a good reserve. Okay, debt is 8,300 crores almost. Debt to equity ratio is good.